Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I have a Ipsy bag. Now I've had this for about a week. I don't know. I used to get Ipsy a couple years ago and I got it for 2 or 3 years. And I just found that I just had so much stuff, so I canceled it. So I restarted the subscription. Actually, I did two, one in my name and one in my husband's name. So next month, we're going to be able to compare Ipsy versus Ipsy. So let's get into this bag and see. I already opened it because who wants to sit and watch somebody open it or struggle with a bag? Oh. I got yellow. Okay. I don't have to use the bag. I'm not a big yellow fan. So, and this month is Pride Month. I was trying to see if they put on here what was inside, but it's just about the Pride Month and all that stuff. Well, looks like we have something right on top. It is a Natural Tox Apple Mask Sheet. And I'm assuming because of the Korean writing, they're Korean face mask. That's cool. Try that. See how that works out. Then I got a Natural Acai Berry Sheet Mask. Would it look pink or something? Yeah, maybe it's the camera. It's the camera. Okay. That one, I'm going to enjoy this one too. All right, let's open this bag and see what we got. And that is cute. I don't know if you can see it really. The Ipsy on it. All right. Okay, well, this doesn't say anything on it. Or maybe it does, and you know me and my blind eyesight. I can't really. Luscious Lip Stain. Well, there's the color. It doesn't say what color it is, but that's it's showing up red to you guys, but it's really more dark pink, I want to say. Let's see if I can get this open. Come on. I know. Don't use your teeth to do that. I know. How else am I going to get it open? With my nails, they're not, it's not, get off. Stupid paper. Okay, let's see here. Oh, that is red. Oh my goodness gracious. That's really red. I don't tend to wear red lip color. I'm more of a pink girl, not red. Or even mauve, that would work. Okay, and we got a Luxie brush, and this is number 245. It's a shader. Let's see if you can see it. That's nice. Oh my god, my lips are so daggone red. Oh my goodness gracious. And it's a lip stain, so Lord knows if I'm going to be able to get it back off. Okay, let's see what we got here. Feel Pure Anywhere Balm. And this is in the color Rose. You know, the lighting is, the sun is shining through the window and it is just hitting it just the right way. But anyway, oh, let's see, how to use. Use as a lip balm. I can't read the rest of it. Oh, safety seal. There's a safety seal on that. Which will probably pose a problem for me. Especially because I want to use it. Come on. Oh. Come on, you stupid thing. It has like a little tab on it. There we go. Alright. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, we're putting it on that way. And it does, it looks like Vaseline. Now I got shiny red lips. Wonderful. It's kind of a minty smell. Oh, last thing. Let's see here. Steve Laurent. And this is an eyeshadow. Watch, it should be some other crazy color. I've seen some of the colors that other people have got. We're going to see it together. Oh my goodness. No. Look at that. That's just insane. Now, I filled out my little style quiz thing, whatever you want to call it, beauty quiz. I am in my late 40s. I would never wear that eyeshadow. It's just too green for me. So that's going to go in a giveaway that I'm going to be having soon, as well as this brush. That will be going, and maybe even this bag, because I don't even like yellow. Nothing wrong with people who like yellow, but, you know, just not me. What the heck? I'm having a rough day. Oh, goodness. Okay, so that's it for my Ipsy bag. That was short and sweet. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like BoxyCharm a lot better. I mean, the samples, I'll use some of them, and the rest will go in a giveaway bag, which I will announce in a later video, because I made it over 1,000 subscribers, and I would like to have a giveaway for you guys. So remember, keep watching the video so you can find out when that giveaway will be. And if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you come and hang out with me and my craziness all the time. I do a wide variety of videos on this channel. I try to upload every day, if not every other day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, you guys are awesome, and I love you all very, very much. And I still have some, I don't even know, on my lips. I gotta get this stuff off. Anyway, tell me what you thought of my Ipsy bag, and let me know what you guys got in yours at home. Let me see if yours is similar to mine, or if you got something totally different, or did you get one of them wacky color crazy eyeshadow, look like a Ninja Turtle, you know what I mean. Anyway, alright guys, that's it. I am out of here. I gotta go wash my lips. The stuff is not looking very good, so I will see you guys in another video very shortly. Bye, y'all.